Alright, so for question number 3, longest substring without repeating characters. Given a string, find the length of the longest substring without repeating characters. Notice this is substring. Substring just means it's a continuous, what is it? It's a contiguous. I don't know the difference between these two words. But they are a part of the string given, and that they are where to say the substring is a continuous piece of the string itself. So if we're talking about substring without repeating characters, just means this substring itself is a contains unique characters only. Which is well, when you think about it, this approach should be using sliding window, in a sense, and what pops into my mind is set or a int array of 26. But if we could make an assumption that all these characters are in lower form, lower letters. But yeah, let's go ahead and do it. So I'm gonna assume the I is my starting position and J is my ending position. So I'll just int a J is 0. But for my for loop, I'm just doing it inside. So I is less than dot, well, s dot length. Whoops. So over here, for each index I, it corresponds to a maximum J position without duplicates, and that's exactly what we mean by without repeating characters. And J minus I would be the current length at index I is simply J minus I, where of course this J is an unattainable position. What do I mean by this? J is, for example, if we're talking about ABA, then for index 0, J is at 0, 1, 2. So you can't, J is a position that you're not gonna be touching, or to say J minus 1 is the last position available. So for each I, you just keep moving forward. So there is, of course, one a straightforward way to think about it is using set, but then of course you're gonna have repeating characters in here, so you can't really use a set. You could possibly either use either map or a int array, and I'm just gonna use int array over here. Let's call it count, which is new int 26, and of course I'm assuming it's all lower characters over here. So for while the first one is J is less than N, and you're gonna have, I'm trying to think, because for each I moving forward you delete one character, and you just keep adding in until you have a repeating character. You stop until you have a repeating one. So, and count.j, or you're looking at s.character at j minus a is 1. Is 0. Is 1 or 0? Is 0. And you loop it, so count s.character at j minus a plus. Oh, you're gonna put j plus 0 as well. So loop f count is 1 only. So now you have a length that's j minus I, and for your current index. So let's call v equals to 0 as well. V is my return data, so v would be math.max v and j minus I. So if j were at n already, then that just means you hit the end and no one is repeating itself. So it's all distinct numbers. And then, for example, if you had 5 and then your A, B, C, D, E, and J is obviously at the end. So for each one, your unique counts is 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So your longest one is obviously 5. And J. So I think that's the case over here. Yes, and then I will plus this index I will increase itself by the end of this loop. So I do need to take out the I at current position. I take it out. I think this is it. Let's take a look. Runtime. Okay, too bad. So obviously this is everything. So you don't need you can't really do 26. You can do 128, which is going to be the actually I'm not really sure, but I think it's ASCII code. It's up to, or 256, but the normal one should be 128. Yep. And in that case, I don't even need this then. I don't need to minus the A to figure out the reference position, so this should be good enough. Okay, and that is for question number 3.